stitch pattern that we're gonna learn at the live workshop that is taking place on Saturday, May the 3rd at noon Eastern Time. We'll work through the stitch together, and as we do that, we'll talk about the basics of lace, we'll see how and why the scalloped edge is formed, and we'll follow the written instructions, the chart, and finally we'll look for the logic behind the stitch pattern so that we could knit it without any prompts whatsoever. We'll also discuss a super simple way to make the long tail cast on more elastic, and we'll see how we can add the stitch pattern to seamless project and make this texture look the same on both sides of the fabric. It's gonna be a fun workshop, and it is free for all members of the club. If you are a club member, then follow the Zoom link in the weekly newsletter that you received from me. And if you are not a member yet, then go to tenroseday.com/join-club to join in, and I'll send you the Zoom link 1 hour before the workshop begins. Whether you'll be able to join the club right now or not, keep in mind that the workshop part of this meeting will be recorded, and as a club member you'll be able to watch and re-watch this recording anytime from any device, as many times as you need.